Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to find Google Photos by location. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now make sure the photos that you're looking for has been backed up on that Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find search option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. There you're gonna see places option. You're gonna find that places option only if you're backed up photos. Now all you have to do is tap on that map like option, which is the first option on the places. There you can see all you have to do is zoom out and zoom in on wherever location that you have the pictures. There's a small purple marks. You can find them and go there and zoom in there. Tap on that purple mark there. Then you're gonna find the photos of that location right there. And guys, that's it. That's how you find photos on your Google Photos by location. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.